All right, so let's see. Today it seems that we mix already trade this Asia session. So you can see here we have the bullish FEG right here. Normally I will enter the buy trade when we see the FVG for the M5 time frame. Of course, we need to look with the big picture. What's the price going on? Right here is coming up, then it's back test. We have the order block here, so we are safe if we're using the buy trade for the first one, the first order, and we use the expert advisor for place the hedging trades with the zone recovery. So I'm going to get the rectangle here. In this case, for example, in this morning, if I see the kind of signal, we open the trades, and currently we have the 100 pip for the zone. This means that the TP will be 1200 pips. Then we can mark right here when we see the bullish FVG. So we wait for the price go back in this zone. And another side, we have the bullish order block here. So the best will be this zone, right? That means we will go to open the buy position in this with this price, right here, 3742, and our TP will be 1200. See, we are, in case that we enter the trade this morning, we will almost touch the TP right here, right? And we will finish the cycle of trade with only one trade. That's the ideally the perfect entry. Of course, personally analyze, we need to have more information, more analyze. We have we have the trend right here, so I can have the trend line right here. We have the trend line over here. So perfectly when the price coming back to our box, we enter the buy, right? So but we are missing the trade this morning, and right here I think that I can show you guys the last trade on yesterday. We have, if you can see that we I opened the trade yesterday with this zone, and the first trade is the buy one. And finally we have totally 1, 2, 3 and 4 trades. We finished with the price touch the profit target over here, 1200 pips. And the previous day you can see as well, we have this trade is finished with 2 trades. The one is the first trade is the buy one, and the second trade is the sell one. And when price touch the profit target right here, we finish the trade cycle. In case that we do it manually and we see this signal, you can see we have the bullish FVG right here, and the price is crossing the neuralizer indicator right here. Then the price go back, create a bullish FVG, so that's a perfect entry for entering the buy position here with the first trade. And we of course will finish this trade with only 1 trade. Very safe. And another real trade in the past, here we have this trade circle. We as well finish with 1, 2, 3 and 4 trades. We finish. This is the profit target line. All the trades close automatically when the price touch the profit target right here. We finish this trade circle with 4 trades. And how about this one? This one is only 1 trade circle. That's perfect entry. This one as well, we finish in only 1 trade. Right. Okay, I think that if you want to see how I trade manually with combination with the SMC indicator and protect or doing the hedging to protect when we have failed with the first order, even when we using the SMC analyze or another indicator. For my side, if you see my video with the zone recovery strategy, we have another kind to define and enter the market with the first trade. For example, right here you can see the RMI indicator with the real time. So is now the RMI already touched level 100. So for my size, the time can be to enter the first trade with sell position. And another condition, we can see we have the strong high, right here with the SMC indicator as well. The price now goes and reflect with the order block, the sell order block. On my side, I will check how many pips that we can enter the market right now. If we have the box right here, $500 our box will be 100, so that will be perfect. And the price, if it come down to the sell side, we need to have it touch 1200 right here. So the price can be touched, go back to retest the trend line. So right here, then we can finish the trades with only one trade. Myself, right now we can enter the trade with the sell, the first position. Let's see, we enter the sell with the lot 0.1, and you see after I enter the first trade, the robot advisor is already create a buy stop with this position over here, right? Then we see when if price move go to the downside, thus this the profit target, we finish the trade with one trade. Otherwise, if the price is break this strong high level, so price will be comes up and we looking for it touch this profit target on the upper side in 2 or 3 trades maximum. Yeah, so I will close the videos right here and see you in the next video. We check together again for the result of this trade.